Welcome to our channel Language Learner, your fun and easy guide to mastering English. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, we make learning simple, practical, and engaging. What you'll learn here: everyday English conversations, grammar made easy, pronunciation tips, fun challenges and quizzes. Our goal: to help you speak fluently and naturally in real-life situations. Your ultimate destination is to unlock the power of English. This channel is designed for learners of every level who want to speak, understand, and enjoy the language in everyday life. Here, we break down complex grammar into bite-sized lessons, explore practical vocabulary for real-life situations, and offer pronunciation tips that will boost your confidence. Imagine engaging lessons where every video is like a mini adventure into the world of English. From interactive exercises to fun challenges, our content is tailored to help you overcome the fear of speaking and turn mistakes into stepping stones toward fluency. We bring the language to life through captivating stories, cultural insights, and real conversations that mirror the way English is spoken around the globe. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or an advanced learner aiming to polish your skills, you'll find a friendly, supportive community here that celebrates every milestone. Join us on this journey where learning isn't just about studying, it's about connecting, exploring, and growing together. So hit that subscribe button, ring the bell for notifications, and let's transform your English learning experience into something truly extraordinary. Subscribe now and start your journey to fluent English today. Let's learn together. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a lesson.